Picture this. You are navigating the vibrant streets of New York City, and you need to catch a bus. Wouldn't it be wonderful to effortlessly pay for your ride with just a quick tap, without ever searching for your MetroCard or digging for exact change? This seamless experience is exactly what the MTA wants you to have. Yes, you absolutely can use your OMNY card on all Metropolitan Transportation Authority buses. The OMNY system has been fully implemented across the entire bus network in New York City, providing a convenient and modern way to pay your fare on every single bus route. The reason this is possible is because OMNY, which stands for One Metro New York, is the MTA's next-generation fare payment system, designed to modernize how riders pay for transit. Its rollout began in 2019 and was systematically expanded to ensure all buses and subway stations were equipped with the Tap Hand Go readers. This comprehensive upgrade means that the underlying technology, allowing for contactless payments, is universally available wherever you ride an MTA bus. Using OMNY on a bus is incredibly straightforward. Simply tap your OMNY card, your contactless credit or debit card, or a smart device linked to your payment method on the OMNY reader as you board. The system automatically processes your fare, making boarding faster and more efficient for everyone. You will notice the fare capping feature too, which ensures you never pay more than the equivalent of a 7-day unlimited ride MetroCard once you have made 12 paid trips within a rolling 7-day period. This shift to OMNY is a significant leap forward, moving away from the older magnetic stripe MetroCard system. It represents the MTA's commitment to creating a truly interconnected and forward-thinking transit experience. OMNY is not just for buses. It is also fully integrated across all subway lines, providing a consistent payment method throughout the vast majority of the MTA's services. This unified system simplifies travel and eliminates the need for separate payment methods for different parts of your journey. So, whether you are heading uptown, downtown, or across a borough, rest assured that your OMNY card offers a convenient, efficient, and fully integrated payment solution for your entire MTA bus journey. It truly simplifies your daily commute and makes navigating New York City's extensive public transit system easier than ever before.